Hello students, welcome to new video. Let's okay. This is not in syllabus 2021 due to the COVID-19, but we explain on the topics for so okay. Okay is the graph. This is a frequency distribution graph to finding the mean. This is a graph for finding median. Sorry, not mean, that is a median. You know, one MCQ comes from the here, which center tendency is not finding by the graphical method. So median find by the ogive, mode find by the graph of the histogram. Mode find by the histogram, median by ogive, and mode by histogram. But mean is a central tendency which can't find by the graphical method. So that's the answer. See, mean is not find by the graphical method. So we can explain the ogive, less than ogive. There are two types of ogive, less than ogive and more than ogive. It's a question. We want to find the draw the graph of ogive. So you know, if this is a graph, so we want the coordinate. We want the coordinate. So first the question is, express the frequency distribution table in less than form. So we can make a table, class interval and frequency. You know, coordinate for any graphical representation is always in the form of x comma y. So we can plot and we can get the graph, x axis and y axis. So here for the lesson ogive, x and y. X is the upper limit of class interval. Why? If we read this, so we can read 0 to 5, or the expanded form we can say more than or equal to 0, less than 5, more than or equal to 5, less than 10. So less than word are in the upper limit. So less than ogive we can take the x is upper limit of class interval, and the y is always cumulative frequency, but in less than ogive this is in less than form, or you can say ascending order form. So firstly we convert the data into the less than form. So we can write here less than 5, less than 10, less than 15, less than 20, less than 25. And the table, first 20 same as, then 20 plus 60, 80, then 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 32, 192, 192 plus 8, 200. This is the cumulative frequency in ascending order form or less than form. You know, find the frequency, first 20, 20 plus 60, 80, 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 32, 192, 192 plus this 200. So this is the CF. That's we write here. So when you find the table for less than form, less than and CF, so we want to find the coordinate. A 1 2 3 4 5 coordinate, 5, 20. 5, 20. X, Y. Upper limit, CF. So upper limit is 5 and CF is 20. B, 10, 80. C, 15, 60. D, 20, 192. E, 25, 200. So this is the coordinate. Then you plot on the graph paper. We have no graph paper, see what you have graph paper. On x-axis we plot the class interval. This is difference of 5, 5, 5. So we can take the difference 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and we can write the number of letters. This is very important. This is the 1 marks. When you not write this marks is deducted. And here we take the scale according to my question. This is started from 20 to 200. So we can take the 20, 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. We can write the number of surname. You can also write the scale. Scale on x-axis 1 unit is equal to 5 letters. On y-axis 1 unit equal to 20 surname. So this is the scale. Then we plot the point 5, 20. So 5, 20. I hope you all know how we plot the coordinate. 10, 80. So 10, 80. 15, 60. 15, is a mistake. Sorry, 160. Because already in the ascending order, so it can increase to upside 160. Approximate 20, 192. Approx here 190 and थोड़ा सा ऊपर 25, 200. So we can join one by one. 1, 1, 1, 1. So for the less than ogive, always the graphical representation just like this means always from bottom to top, increasing order. So less than ogive, when you want to find the median, so first we find the value of n by 2. 200 by 2, that is 100. 200 is the n, 100. Where is 100? This, because on the y-axis we can parallel line to the x-axis, it meet on the graph, then drop. Where they meet, we can't say they meet here, but they approximately meet here 12. So median point, this 100, 12, sorry 12, 100, and the median is 12 letters. Okay, that's the less than ogive. So pause, will note down. You can see there is no more change for the more than ogive, only some data change, because more than ogive is always in descending order form. This graph look like this. This means from top to bottom In ascending, in less than or side, this is upper side, and more than this is downward side. So we can write here same things, more than or equal to 0, less than 5. So more than equal to 0, more than equal to 5, more than equal to 10, more than equal to 15, more than equal to 20, more than equal to 20. Last is 20. Then we have to find the CF, but in descending order, starting from the bottom. 8 same, 8 plus 32, 40 plus 80, 120 plus 60, 180 plus 20. So we get 200, 180, 120, 40 and 8. Same here, this is the lower limit. So coordinate is always in form of x comma y. X is lower limit of class interval and y is CF, but in more than form, you can say in descending order form. So we get the coordinate A 0, 200, B 5, 180, C 10, 120, D 15, 40, E 20, 8. Same 5 coordinate here. The graphical representation is the same because the data is same, so we can take the scale same. Then plot it. 0, 200 means in 0 y is 200, that is A. 5, 180, 5, 180, B. 10, 120, C. 15, 40, 20, 8. 1, 2, 3, put this. If you draw on the graph paper, so we can look like approx curve form just like this. But here we have to make the roughly graph, so that's some different. For the median is the same things, n by 2, that is 100. So we can draw from the 100 and draw line. This you can get the same median because data is same, so the median is also same. This is the more than or side. So pause the video and note down. Okay, thank you class.